Hi, I'm Guber, and welcome to another episode of Anything But Authentic. Today, we'll be making creamy, nutty Irish cream Vietnamese coffee. First, let's make the Irish cream. In a blender, combine 5 tablespoons of condensed milk, 2 teaspoons of chocolate syrup, 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, a quarter teaspoon of instant coffee granules, a quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a quarter teaspoon of almond extract. Blend on high until everything is well combined. Please note that this Irish cream is made specifically for this recipe. If you have extra cream that you like to use for other things, feel free to add a tad more heavy cream and whiskey. Once everything is well blended, set it aside. Then we move on to making the Vietnamese coffee. Preheat a Vietnamese fin filter and cup by pouring a little bit of boiling water through it. You can easily find this at your local Asian supermarket. Or feel free to check the description below for an Amazon link for this filter. After the filter is heated, pour the water out and add 3 teaspoons of ground coffee, without spilling them of course. Then twist the filter on gently until it starts to stop. After which, turn it a little bit more. Pour a little bit of water in the filter and let the coffee grind expand a little bit. Afterward, fill the filter all the way and let it drip. Make sure to watch and adjust the filter accordingly. If nothing comes through, loosen the filter a little bit, and vice versa. By the way, the coffee I'm using is a dark roast from Lee's Sandwiches, but other brands such as Café du Monde or Drumwing would work as well. Again, feel free to check the description for all the links. After the coffee is done, remove the filter. Then, depending on your taste, add the thickened Irish cream accordingly. I like mine slightly sweet, but not too sweet, so 3 tablespoons was great for me. Then, add a pinch of either salt, sea salt, or fleur de sel. By the way, adding salt to Vietnamese coffee is a trick I learned from my time working at a Vietnamese restaurant. Trust me, you won't regret it. Then fill the glass with lots and lots of ice, mix around, and there you have it.